From the heart of New Gotham City, inside a digital world where technology pulses with life, stands Batman, the beloved superhero, ready to take you on an extraordinary journey.
Welcome, young friends, to our computer world, where the adventures of mathematical heroes in the realm of technology and computing take place. I am Batman, and I am your guide on this fantastic journey inside a computer, from the heart of New Gotham City. Here, we will discover together how a computer works. Just as I protect Gotham City, we will learn how the different parts of the computer protect information and process it quickly and efficiently. We will take a look at the superheroes from the Marvel world, where each hero will take on a special task in the computer based on their superpowers, and how our heroes must work together just as the parts of the computer work in harmony to accomplish tasks. At the end of this episode, I will give each of you the opportunity to choose your favorite hero to present in the next episode. But how? Go and subscribe to the channel now, and I will tell you how to choose your favorite hero at the end of the episode. Hello, young heroes. I'm Batman, the protector of Gotham City, but in this magical world of technology, I take on a role no less important than my work fighting crime. I represent the Central Processing Unit, or what you might call the big brain inside your computer. Yes, just as I lead the charge for justice in Gotham, I also oversee the operations and tasks of the computer to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Just as I am keen on confronting villains in the streets of Gotham, inside the computer, I ensure that data and commands are processed with lightning speed. I receive information from programs and games, and make sure it gets to the right places, whether it's to display something on the screen, play music, or even help you with your homework. My role as the Central Processing Unit is to ensure that the computer operates at its highest possible performance. For this reason, I am like the conductor of an orchestra, directing every part of the computer to work together in harmony. I give orders to all the Avengers controlling various parts to ensure the success of the operations and their harmony, allowing you to play, learn, and explore the digital world without limits.
Most importantly, my friends, I work hard to protect the computer from villains like the Joker virus and malicious software, which you will meet in upcoming episodes if you subscribe to the channel, just as I protect Gotham from crime. Using security and protection software in collaboration with our heroes, the Invisible Man and Black Panther, I ensure the safety of your data and privacy.
In our digital world, each superhero has a unique role and specific tasks to play. And I am proud to be the Central Processing Unit in your computer. Together, we will explore more superheroes and how they employ their superpowers in our world inside the computer from this wonderful world, and how we will fight the villains together to protect our data and making this world a better place. Come on, we will have lots of adventures waiting for us.
In the end, if you want to see your superheroes showcasing their superpowers as brand new parts of our journey in the upcoming episodes, first, hit the like button on this video. Then, drop the name of your favorite hero in the comments. And share what you think is the most important job of the Central Processing Unit from what you've learned today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the new adventures. Until next time.